Hi everyone, my name is Khyati Albert. I work with JP Morgan Chase as a VP Product Manager, and I am looking into API Marketplace over there. Help the customers to have a delightful experience in API world and a secure experience. One of the reasons why I felt product was the right fit for me, I feel I am very business oriented person. I would like to do something in the business world, and I didn't want it to go into technical world. And after a certain point of time, you reach the threshold where you don't want to sit and do the coding all the time, and you want to explore different experiences that could be there. So I had an opportunity to look into a program and project as well, but they were not that compelling for me, for my persona. I felt product management was more fit for me because I felt that's where the business is all talking about. That's where you make money, how you make money, why you make money, how you take your business from A to Z. That's where I wanted to be. I love few of the things which are there with IPL, like the career coaching which is there. You have people like Pinkesh sir who is there. You have people like Malan who is there, and Krishna who is there, Shreyas who is there. From female leadership perspective, you have Preeti ma'am who is there. So these are few, and Sai, of course, who can forget him? And these are few of the people whom you would love to be associated with if you want to know what exactly is product and what exactly is the future all about. So these are few of, this is one of the reasons why I love IPL. Then Talentathon, then Career Fits you have, then there are different skillathons that you have. So these skillathons teach you what is the product that you are making and how it is being perceived outside market as well. There could be something, you might be making in your organization, but then what is the value add it is there in the entire world. So these are few of the things that I really love. We have Udemy's of the world, we have LinkedIn trainings, everything here in the world. But then even if you are paying them, they are not giving you that kind of value advantage. The kind of value that I received from IPL, the verbiage that you're supposed to talk, the language that you're supposed to talk, there is a muscle that you need to build, and that's the kind of muscle which I think IPL helped me to build and reach to the kind of level that I think I am in my team as well. I love the capstone project work that we do in my team. So I have a couple of folks with my team, and three of us, we are building an app here. And then the in-class activities that happens, that is also real fun, because at times when you are talking to people, you open a different set of mind as well. And even when you are not very happy about it, you learn a lot. When you approach product, you should have a mindset to talk in the product terminology. If you don't have that mindset, you have to build that muscle. How you can build that muscle? Not going to Udemy's of the world. Have a serious study, have a serious workflow. You can go to IIM Kodekar. They are into management, they are not into product. If you want to really learn how the product world works like, if you want to really learn the terminologies of the product, if you really want to know what do you mean by go-to-market, what are the different strategies that you are supposed to do for go-to-market, and similarly for anything which is related to product, you should have a proper logical brand where you should go and learn. IPL is one of the brands which is giving me a complete workplace, which is giving me not only study, it is giving me the videos that I can even look in afterwards that I want to learn about. It is giving me mentorship not only from these career coaches, but also my teachers, the people who are coming to teach me. So I can go ahead and have a mentorship with them. These are really logical and very thought steps which are being done by IPL, which will make you as a great product manager, not only as a product manager, but have that impulse in you that you start thinking from product perspective.